Correspondence 73-70 is a business letter in block style with an open table. You'll need to refer to page 270 for the content of this letter. Now, step 1, notice that all lines begin at the left margin. Do not indent paragraphs. Then we're going to press enter 5 times to begin the first line of the letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And type the date, March 1, 2010, or use the current year. Then after the date, press enter 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that creates 3 blank lines when you press enter 4 times. And type the inside address, single-spaced. After the inside address, press enter 2 times and type the salutation with a colon, which is standard punctuation. Press enter 2 times after the salutation. The body of the letter is single-spaced, but press enter 2 times between paragraphs. That creates 1 blank line between the paragraphs. Step 6 in the instructions indicates how to insert and format a table correctly. We're going to get started here with inserting a table of 2 columns and 5 rows. This is to be an open table, so select the table and remove the borders. Then type the column headings in bold and the rest of the text, all of it, in 12-point font. Notice that the default inside a table is 11. When you have selected the whole table, you can change it all to 12. Now I've typed in the information here, but I am going to demonstrate the formatting and finishing up of the table for you. Notice that the items in the cost column need to be right aligned. So I select those items and then click Control-R or Align Text Right. And notice also that I have left 2 spaces between the $ and the 8 in the first cell of quantities. Okay, the next step is that we're going to auto-fit the contents. So click anywhere in the table, then right-click, choose auto-fit. Okay, we're much closer now to where we need to be. All we need to do next is select the table and center it horizontally. Remember, we go to Table Tools, Layout, Properties, Alignment, Center, and OK. Alright, then double check that you have a blank line before and after the table before you continue with the letter. Press enter 2 times after the last paragraph. Type the complimentary closing, followed by a comma, and then press enter 4 times. Type the writer's identification on 2 lines. Then press enter 2 times, type your reference initials, press enter 1 time, press undo or Control Z for the initial correction, then type the fax notation, press enter 2 times, type the blind copy notation, and Word wants to capitalize the B in your blind copy notation, so you need to fix that so that it is lowercase. Then you're finished, ready to proofread, return to GDP, score, review, and edit all marked errors to 0. Let's turn off Show Hide to get a better look at our document. But be sure to check formatting, and sometimes Show Hide will help you compare your formatting to mine. And we're ready to move on.